hands through my blood. I'm just scared to watch the girls in the glass, that is all I see. Melted faces, tree grow wrong, and in the mirror speaking tongues. Can't hear a siren driving by. I can't wake up and try, and I try. Everybody sugar in my bed, everybody clouds are in my head. Everybody's disastrous, everybody's all after us. Everybody, 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 everybody's talking about me and my baby. Making love to the morning light, making love to the morning, morning light, making love to the morning. Everybody's talking about me and my baby. Making love to the morning light, making love to the morning, morning light, making love to the morning.
Raced the FMJ in the semi-final. Pretty tight racing, but they ended up coming out strong in the end, beat us 2-1. Close racing, really good fun, but the team is strong enough, so they deserved it.
Symbols on the counter, parking lots, perhaps the pilot in the air. But this still turns into a safe. Popping pills to stay awake, but all them pills that make me shake. There's still a shout and run about, but all the time I want to cry out. Everybody sugar in my bed, everybody clouds up in my head. Everybody disastrous, everybody's all after us.
We went out today, it was about 20 to 25 knots. It was all about just keeping the boat moving through the water, having a clear start, and then it's a seamanship from there to have good roundings, good manoeuvres.
Making love to the morning, morning light, making love to the morning. Everybody's talking about me and my baby. Making love to the morning light, making love to the morning, morning light, making love to the morning.
We beat Ash and Brent 3-0. Every race was still even start, and we had boats beat on from there on.